Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on VIVO V40. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time for a few seconds. And from here you have to use volume buttons and move to recovery mode and then press power button to select. And you are now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.